There comes a moment in life when you stop explaining yourself. Stop defending your decisions. Stop proving your worth to people who never cared to understand you in the first place. That moment is called silence, and it is one of the most powerful weapons you will ever hold. Most people think silence means weakness. They think staying quiet means you accepted defeat. But you know better. Silence is not surrender. Silence is strategy. Silence is strength controlled, not strength lost. Because sometimes, the loudest person in the room is the most insecure. And the quietest person is the one building an empire inside their mind. Silence is where you plan. Silence is where you heal. Silence is where you rebuild the version of yourself that life tried to break. When you stay silent, you're not avoiding the world. You're listening. You're observing. You're learning who's real, who's fake, and who deserves a place in your life. In silence, you realize something important. Not everyone deserves access to your thoughts. Not everyone should know your next move. Not everyone has earned the right to hear your dreams. Because when you speak too early, people judge. When you speak too much, people criticize. But when you speak at the right time, you shock them. Silence protects your energy. It shields your peace. It saves you from pointless arguments and unnecessary battles. It keeps your focus on your goals, not on noise. Remember this. A seed grows in silence, not in noise. The same way, your growth happens quietly. Your transformation happens quietly. Your comeback happens quietly. Let people talk. Let people doubt. Let people misunderstand. You don't owe anyone an explanation. Use your silence to build discipline. Use your silence to master your emotions. Use your silence to understand your purpose. Use your silence to prepare for the life you want. Because one day, your silence will end. One day, your results will speak for you. Your growth will answer every question. Your success will silence every critic. Your transformation will make every doubter rethink everything they ever said about you. That day is coming. But today, focus. Be patient. Build quietly. Heal quietly. Work quietly. And when the time is right, your success will make the noise you never had to make. So remember, your silence has power. Use it to build, not break.